Alright, we got a 1 to 3 inch leveling kit. Put these together. You put however many you want to get your desired ride height. Once you put them in there, put the factory ones in there, put the nut on, zip it off. Alright, we got the leveling kit on. Looks a lot better. And also the tires came in. I didn't realize my GoPro died in the middle of, I had it up on a time lapse while we were doing the leveling kit, but she's on and she's up there. Wheels are back from powder coat. Got the tires mounted this morning. Rain in there a little wet, but these are, the wheels were on my Dodge. They were the chrome ones. They're like Ducenti DW903. I think that's what model they were. 24s. You got some 35, 12, 50s. They are gonna look killer on here. Oh yeah, they're gonna be looking good. Took the truck to a buddy of mine's shop this morning. Got an alignment done on it. Since we put the lift kit on the front, we got a alignment done. We're gonna have to do brakes on this truck on the front soon. We got a new wheel hub on the way. We did the right side already. We gotta do the left side wheel hub. So we got it ordered. It should be here in a day or two. Other than that, we're waiting on the adapters to come in to put these Dodge wheels on the Ford. The center cap's all done. Put one on here. That's what she's gonna look like. They're gonna look awesome. We got our tip powder coated while they were doing the wheels, trying to get it where we want it so we can cut off that exhaust tip. Or either I'm thinking about dumping it behind the axle. Haven't made up my mind yet. But my powder coater, he did the tip for me. He just threw it in with the wheels, so. it, but I'm gonna call it good.